Okay, this is a demonstration of a fresh install of OpenSeizureDetector version 4, just showing how the warning to do with battery optimization might well show up when you first start it, and how to deal with it. So we'll start OpenSeizureDetector, and the first thing you get is a request to access photos and media on the device, which we need to do to get access to the storage. So we do allow for that. And then you get the little dialog just showing what's changed. So we'll just hit OK for there. What you see now is the new check that we do to see whether the Android system is trying to optimize the battery usage of the app, which in our case means shutting it down when the phone is running on battery, which is what we do not want, because we need it to continue running in the background at all times. So this warning says it's done a check, and by default my version of Android is doing this battery optimization. So it's telling us to go into the phone settings and search for optimized battery usage to make sure that OpenSeizureDetector is not optimized. So what we'll do to do that is we'll pull down the top menu so we can see the settings, and we'll hit the little cog to open our settings screen there. Then the simplest way to get to this is actually to do apps, and then we'll just scroll down until we find OpenSeizureDetector and click on OpenSeizureDetector. And then if we scroll down there, we see there's a section here called battery. So we'll click on battery, and we can see second level down there, it says we're optimizing battery usage, which, as I say, in our case that's a bad thing because it'll shut it down when the phone's running on battery. So we select that, and now this gives us a list of all of the apps which are not optimized. And I'll just show you, but OpenSeizureDetector is not in that list by default. You see it's not there. It should be between N and P. So we'll click on that little on the little drop down at the top there, and we'll select all apps rather than the not optimized ones. And this will now give us a much longer list, and we'll just scroll a long way through this list until we find OpenSeizureDetector. Would have been good if I'd used a name beginning with A. Yeah, so here we've got OpenSeizureDetector, and that little slider being active means that this battery optimization is on. So what we need to do is click on it to switch the battery optimization off. So there, that's got the battery optimization switched off. So we'll click back. And now we can see in the OpenSeizureDetector settings page, it says optimized battery usage is not optimized. So again, we'll just press the back button, and back button again, and again, and again. And now we're back to the OpenSeizureDetector startup screen, and it should do a, we should now just be able to hit OK to get rid of that dialog box, and there it goes back to starting normally. So that's got the battery optimization switched off. Then you should not see that dialog box again when you start it up in the future. So that should keep it all running in the background for us.